We are still live. This is the Keke Nape from INNOSON Vehicles. And this IVM truck is still going to be commissioned today by the President Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, Mr. Francis Otumba. This is a beast. This is a beast, you can see. This is a beast. So we have many people at the factory today. It's a big day at the factory. So we are still waiting for Mr. Francis Otumba for the official commissioning of these CNG powered vehicles. As you can see, these are INNOSON vehicles as well. The chairman of INNOSON Vehicles is here with us, Mr. Innocent Chukuma. So we are live. You can see Chairman INNOSON Vehicles Group is here. This is the chairman INNOSON Vehicles. So these are going to be commissioned today as CNG powered. Means no more petroleum. CNG powered trucks. CNG powered trucks. As you can see, CNG powered trucks. So if you're within Nnewi, you can come in today and witness it, and witness the official unveiling. If you're in Nnewi currently, you can come in and witness the official unveiling holding at the factory. These are CNG powered buses. CNG powered buses. Show you the back. You can see CNG powered buses. So this can go on a long trip and need to fear. Manufactured by INNOSON Vehicles. You can see. So if you are in Nnewi, Anambra State, you can come to the factory for the official unveiling. So you can see compressed natural gas, CNG powered, and this is a 100-seater. This is a 100-seater bus. So when the compressed natural gas is free, you can go to Abuja and come back. It is safe. Okay, somebody is asking what is CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. So What it means, you don't need to use petrol for these buses, and it is cheaper than diesel. It is cheaper than petrol. As you can see, it's a big day at the factory. Many people are here. So if you're in Nnewi, you can come to the factory to witness the official unveiling of these vehicles. No, CNG is not the same thing as cooking gas. Yes, that bus is a 100-seater bus. This bus is a 100-seater bus. This bus is a 100-seater bus. So if you are just joining us, today is the grand commissioning of the INNOSON CNG and LNG bus by the President of the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria. So these revolutionary vehicles is the latest addition to the INNOSON's line of eco-friendly and sustainable transportation solutions, and we are proud to be part of this groundbreaking moment in Nigeria's manufacturing industry. As you can see. So join us as we celebrate the official launch of the INNOSON CNG bus, which is set to pave way for cleaner and more efficient transportation across the country. Thank you, Desta, for your explanation. Yes, you will see the inside of the bus very soon when the grand commissioning starts. Okay, let me show you the inside of this particular one. Yes.
Maybe by mistake, you know, go smell second thing.
The page is nice. Right? So this is the inside of one of the 100-seater bus. This is the inside of one of the 100-seater bus, as you can see. So this is the driver's area. It has a CCTV camera. So this is the interior. This is the interior. This is the exterior. You can see. As you can see, this is inside of this 100-seater. As you can see, this is the inside. This is the exit area. This is the exit area. This is the exit area straight down to the back. So this is safe. So I'm at the back. So you can see. Yes, CNG is environmentally friendly. CNG is different from the cooking gas. CNG is environmentally friendly. So if you are using it for the transport business, the CNG, you can take it to Abuja and come back with the CNG. No need refueling on the road, nothing like that. So this is it. This is it. You can see the various camera angles here. This is it. This is it. It has a camera. It has two more cameras at the back, and it rotates. So that for people who stand as well can You can stand, hold your hand. So yes, it can use both fuel and gas. If, for example, you didn't refill, put the gas on time, it can just convert to gas, to fuel immediately while still on the run. While still on the run. So if there is hold up in the road, you don't have a problem. Even if you run out of the CNG gas while on the road, it converts to it just converts to fuel immediately. You start using the fuel in your car. It just switches immediately.
When Peter was stepping down, that was when I was entering Chester. But it was one teacher now. So put it on my page. People are making noise. Sorry, people are complaining. Sorry.
So this is it. Yes, I'll go to the engine part later when the Mr. Otumba Francis is here to commission the vehicles. We'll check everything. The gas is very safe. It's not like a cooking gas. It's a compressed natural gas. It's very safe. So I think some of our guests are arriving. Some of our guests are arriving, so this is what the flyer of the compressed natural gas looks like. So if you are around the Nnewi, Anambra State, you can come to the factory and witness this official unveiling. If you are around Nnewi, Anambra State, you can come to the factory and witness the official unveiling of these vehicles. Okay, I will be back shortly. Yes, it automatically switches to fuel if you're in motion. It automatically switches to fuel or diesel if you're in motion, if you run out of CNG gas.